Uniseal has been an absolute game changer. So late 23, we made a decision to reduce the days of the time a used car arrived to the time it got front line, and one of the major factors was really getting that car cleaned, not only properly, but in a timely fashion. And really, since we've started, it's been nothing but a game changer. The real cool thing too is once that car is clean, we clean it first. Uniseal does a great job doing that, and we get it in the photo line. So the first thing you want to do, you get a car, you want to get photos online as quickly as possible, so you can get your car marketable online. And we've been averaging somewhere, with Uniseal's help, and they've played a huge role in this, is somewhere 3.7, 3.8 days from the time a car arrives to the time it's frontline ready, available for retail sale. So before, there really wasn't a gauge. What's interesting is it would take sometimes 2 to 3 days to clean 20, 30 cars. Now we can put 20 to 25 cars in the Uniseal bucket, and they can get those cars done in 1 day. Every car is cleaned the same way every single time. Nobody is saying, hey, the car's not clean. That's from our staff to our consumers. And then the ability to either slow down or speed up. What I mean by that is if, all of a sudden there's 40 cars in the pipe coming through. We had a big weekend, plus we bought cars at auction. Typically, it might take you 3-4 days to get those cars clean. So what we do is we reach out to Uniseal and we say, hey, we've got a flow of cars coming, and they bring in additional staff to help us speed up through that ramp. And that helps us stay on track relative to days to frontline ready. And they've been a great partner. We have a young man named Harry that works for our operation here. He's our daily point of contact, and the coordination with him on a daily basis and communication is great. And just the way he works and runs his crew has been nothing but first class. The choice to choose Uniseal was the right choice, for sure, just based on what we've seen results over almost a full 2 years. It's been pretty remarkable, and it's been a great partnership. I would definitely recommend Uniseal.